How to fix Skype Translator not working? First of all, you have to understand that the Skype application has been discontinued as of May 5, 2025. It has been fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. So to fix this issue, all you have to do is go ahead and open the Microsoft Teams application, then open the chat with the person you want to translate. Once you open it, you simply have to tap on their profile name or the avatar at the very top of the screen to open their profile details. From here, scroll down and tap on the Start Translated Conversation. Once you do this, a new separate translation chat tab will be created. A prompt will ask you to confirm your language and their language. Ensure both are set accurately. Once you do this, you simply have to verify Microsoft Cloud Server connections, and then your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.